Maintaining a clean and orderly living environment can be a daunting task, but the Miller family has developed an efficient system to manage their domestic responsibilities. Rather than allowing tasks to accumulate, they divide the workload every weekend to ensure their home remains functional and comfortable. Sarah takes charge of hygiene and surface care in the bathroom. Her primary focus is sanitizing high-touch areas. She applies specialized cleaning agents to scrub the sink and toilet thoroughly, ensuring all bacteria are eradicated. Afterwards, she sweeps away loose debris from the tile floor before mopping it with a disinfectant solution. To finish, she polishes the glass surfaces to achieve a streak-free shine. Meanwhile, Leo is responsible for reorganizing his bedroom space. He begins by stripping the bed linens and transferring them directly to the laundry area. After fitting fresh sheets onto his mattress, he tackles the issue of clutter. Instead of simply hiding items out of sight, he methodically sorts through his desk drawers, archiving old school materials and ensuring his personal belongings are properly stored. In the living room, Tom focuses on general maintenance and floor care. He uses a high-performance vacuum cleaner to draw out deeply embedded dust and allergens from the carpets. He then uses a microfiber cloth to dust the delicate surfaces and restore the wood's natural finish. Later in the day, Tom oversees the laundry duties. He meticulously sorts garments by fabric type and temperature requirements before initiating the wash cycle. Once dried, the more formal attire is pressed with an iron to eliminate stubborn creases. In the kitchen, Elena oversees meal prep cleanup and waste duties. Following lunch, she clears the dining table and strategically loads the dishwasher to maximize its capacity. For delicate glassware and heavy cookware that are not dishwasher safe, she washes them by hand using non-abrasive sponges. Finally, she manages the family's recycling system, separating biodegradable waste, plastics and paper to ensure environmental efficiency before disposal. By late afternoon, the household operations are complete. Through clear delegation and strategic teamwork, the family manages to maintain an immaculate home while leaving plenty of time for weekend relaxation. Now, try to answer these questions. How does the Miller family prevent their weekend chores from becoming overwhelming, daunting? What does Sarah do to ensure the bathroom surfaces are not just visually clean, but hygienic? In what way does Leo's approach to decluttering show a high level of organization?